PyroZone was established in 1990 by PyroZone Manufacturing Private Limited, a private independently owned company based in Australia. The company has continued to grow from strength to strength, and the PyroZone system is increasingly popular with many companies who have now adopted the PyroZone system as their preferred fire protection option. PyroZone has offices in 7 countries, mainly in Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. Many companies have chosen PyroZone, such as British American Tobacco, PSA International, Global Foundries, Interplex, and NTU, just to name a few. Following its years of interaction and understanding of the fire protection industry, PyroZone has decided to expand its production range. Introducing to you PyroDeTec. PyroDeTec is a pre-engineered automatic fire detection and suppression system that uses carbon dioxide as an extinguishing agent. What is carbon dioxide technology? Carbon dioxide is the most widely used industrial gas. It is readily available, non-toxic, non-conductive, and inexpensive. The PyroZone approach stores carbon dioxide as a liquid and is a form of low-pressure technology. This makes PyroZone more user-friendly as it is insulated, compact, and requires less floor space. The PyroDeTec system comes in 2 configurations: the PDT45 model using the 5 kg cylinder, and the PDT90 model which uses a 9 kg cylinder. This system is also well received at the recent Fire and Safety System seminar held in Yangon. PyroDeTec is easy to assemble. A trained technician would find no difficulty in installing it. Its flexible, narrow tubing is particularly applicable in small places, and it can be installed virtually anywhere, especially in hard-to-reach areas such as machinery housing, closures, and cabinets. Most importantly, no electricity is required to activate PyroDeTec. This is especially important so that it performs even during an electrical failure. NFPA 12 noted that the following types of hazard and equipment can be satisfactorily protected using carbon dioxide, such as engines utilizing gasoline and other flammable liquid fuels, electrical hazards such as transformers, switches, circuit breakers, rotating equipment, and electronic equipment, ordinary combustibles such as paper, wood, and textile, and hazardous solids. PyroDeTec can play a vital part in protecting your company's key assets. How does it work? The highlight of PyroDeTec is that it is completely automatic. Within 6 seconds of a fire breaking out, PyroDeTec will be able to put out the fire completely. The unique detection and actuation tubing is made of a high-tech polymer and does not rely on detecting fire at any single point but anywhere along the path of the tubing. This tube has the function of being a multiple sensor combined with multiple extinguishing jets, which will always be activated at the moment the discharge temperature is reached. When the tubing comes into contact with fire, it will start to melt and burst at the hottest point. This activates the extinguishing system, and the extinguishing agent is allowed to be transported to the fire in either one of 2 different ways: indirect mode and the direct mode. This is the IDHP system. The detection tube can also trigger the cylinder valve when it detects a fire. The extinguishing agent discharges through a conventional outlet port. This is the IHP system. This allows the fire to be put out quickly, swiftly, and safely within 6 seconds. The PyroDeTec system is tested by FM Approvals Standard for carbon dioxide extinguishing systems and designed for total flooding applications in accordance with the NFPA 12 standard. A small flame can develop into a huge disaster. If you want to prevent a disaster like this, install PyroDeTec. Protect your assets, protect your safety.
我们在新加坡的 Global Foundries 一共安装了38台拍火炭灭火系统，而且它也符合了 Global Foundries 所要求的防火功能。拍火炭灭火系统的性能、可靠性以及它的公司的服务态度都可以信赖的。